Today, we're going to look at the pros and cons of working while collecting Social Security. So there are a few big negatives when it comes to working and taking Social Security, but there might be some instances where it could actually make sense for you. And if you're getting close to retirement or you're already retired, take a look in the description below because I put some helpful free resources down there for you. So if you are under your full retirement age, that full retirement age, Social Security tells you either 66 or 67 most likely. But if you're in this period of time, right here, and you work and you earn an income, and if you make over 18,960, if you make over that, then Social Security is going to deduct $1 for every two that you make over that amount. So if you are making, let's pretend you're making 10,000 more than this 18,000, so 28,960. So 10,000, the way to figure out how much would be deducted is 10K divided by 2. So Social Security would be deducting 5K from your total benefits that year. And in the year that you reach your full retirement age, the earnings limit actually goes up to $50,520. So if you earn less than that amount, then you shouldn't have anything deducted from your pay. They only count your earnings up to the month before you reach your full retirement age, not earnings for the entire year. So that helps out too when you're looking at these calculations. Once you do reach your FRA, full retirement age, you can earn whatever you want and you don't have to worry about Social Security deducting. So once you get to that full retirement age, whatever they say, you could earn 100,000 and not worry about Social Security deducting anything from your benefits, which is good. But let's say you're 63, you retire, and then you go back to work at 64 and you're making more than 18 or 19K. What should you do? Well, Social Security says that the benefits they deduct are not lost forever. And they say that they will reconcile your benefits once you get to your full retirement age. So if you continue to work, you would see your benefits reduced, but they say that they'll reconcile it. But we've seen the calculations that they use, and it's very, very difficult to verify they're actually paying you the right amount that they should be. It's possible, but it's just not 100% clear. Every time we've looked at it, it's almost taking some, trying to verify, but taking a little bit of their word for it. And if you know anything about Social Security, you don't always get the same answer from two people in the same office. But anyways, for those reasons, I'd encourage people who are thinking that they might have a chance of working before they get to full retirement age, even if they are retired, there's a small percentage they might go back, I encourage possibly waiting. But don't just listen to me. Talk to your retirement planner and create your income plan. See what Social Security strategies make the most sense for you, because there usually are, especially if you're married, there might be a few options for you. And if you don't have a planner who specializes in retirement, reach out to me. I'd be glad to talk with you. And if you like this video, please subscribe, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.